Hey there! Late fees, missed payments, juggling due dates. Managing monthly bills can feel like a full-time job. This bill payment tracker puts every single bill in one place so you always know what's due, when it's due, and whether you've paid it. Let's start with the Bills tab. This is your master list of every recurring bill: rent, electric, internet, car insurance, subscriptions, you name it. For each one, enter the amount, due date, category, and payment method. Say your rent is $1,500 due on the 1st, electric is about $95 due on the 15th, and Netflix is $15.99 due on the 23rd. Add them all here. Next is this month's checklist. This is your action tab. It shows every bill due this month with a checkbox to mark it paid. As you check things off, the amounts update, and you can see exactly how much is left to pay. It's like a to-do list for your money. The payment calendar gives you a visual timeline of when bills hit throughout the month. See which weeks are heavy and which are light so you can plan your cash flow accordingly. If most of your bills land in the first week, you might want to adjust some due dates to spread things out, and the dashboard pulls everything together. Total monthly bills, amount paid versus remaining, spending by category, and payment method breakdown. It's the big picture view that tells you at a glance where your money goes every month. This template has over 370 formulas across 4 worksheets, and it works in both Excel and Google Sheets. If you're tired of scrambling to remember what's due when, grab it from the link in the description and get your bills organized today.